in this video. What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be trying some stop motion filming, so let's get right into it. Let's resume the video. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. It took me about 6 hours to make this video without the editing of it yet, so make sure to smash that like button, and I have a sneak peek for you guys in a little bit. It's officially begun. Running our John Deere 9500 combine. There he goes. That is going to be it for this video, so if you enjoyed it, make sure to hit the thumbs up button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. First load of soybeans. Coming up with the combine.